Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for joining this daily huddle show with myself, Da Vinci, and Mr. M. How you doing?
Doing great, man. Thank you for having me as always.
Ooh, I'm a little bent out of shape. I'm like, not the right shape. I'm not an octagon, hexagon, pentagon. I'm a polygon.
And it's gone.
And it's gone.
Emotional, damn it. Not really. I mean, I know a lot of people out there are feeling that pain as Bitcoin drops from, like 124 was the high, 124K?
And 124-ish, yeah. Mm-hmm. All the way down to 109, I think it's gone.
Yeah, I know. Did you know, I remember a time when Bitcoin was spent like 3 months at $100, around 124 to 110.
Damn.
And people were like, it's a stable coin. It's not going anywhere.
Yeah, right. How did that work out? How did that turn out? Damn. The funny thing is I have a bi-weekly catch-up with Sina and Plan C. Mm-hmm. We go through the quantile model and everything. And Sina said something interesting. He said, I think it was 78% of the time Bitcoin doesn't do anything. Mm-hmm. And then the rest of the percentages, it's either dropping or pumping.
Where's all the chats, man? There's nobody chatting.
Yeah, nobody chatting. I don't know if it's loading up or...
Let's
let me close it.
Let me check to see if there's anybody in the actual stream by heading to the stream, because I feel like a little alone here. Like where did everybody go?
Oh, maybe on it's not on.
Did we not broadcast to?
Maybe it's not on. It's unlisted. Yeah, there. I don't know why.
Ooh.
That's why. Mm-hmm. But we are streaming on X, and there is 400 people.
Okay, there we go.
There you go, public. Yeah.
There
okay, remind me. I'll check the setting later.
Yeah, exactly.
Something has gone.
So there we go.
See if you changed that. Yeah.
That was the issue.
Yeah, because we have no one on YouTube because I don't know. Is it listed now? Because I still see the.
Yeah. It takes a while before it's perfect. Like everybody comes back. Okay. Sorry, guys. Right, I'm sure there's people waiting, wondering where is.
We are also a little bit early today, so that's probably a combination of both.
Exactly, it's
both
a little bit. But with that said, right? Okay, now that we got that working, right? Let's make sure you hit the like. Head over to YouTube, right? Because let's tweet it out on Twitter too.
Let me check if we are indeed live on YouTube.
It's not like although we're on Twitter, right? Nobody knows how to get to it. On Twitter, I just realized that. That's the issue.
There you go. Okay, perfect. Now people are tuning in. Yeah, sorry guys, I did set the stream unlisted. I don't know why, but it takes a bit to warm up, so you'll see people tuning in now. Nice.
Okay, join us and like on YouTube. There we go.
Morning, everyone. Morning.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
So I bet everyone who's bearish is going to tune in today and say, I told you so. Crashed to zero. Right.
Bitcoin is
going to zero.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Tomorrow.
Exactly.
All right.
Nice.
Thank you guys for joining us. And, all those people who are joining us from Twitter, right? Head over to Mr. M's podcast, right? I'm gonna tweet that out, right?
Thank you.
Right, I'm gonna tweet. Have a little bit of a tweet.
I have a super interesting week, so I cannot wait to speak to Sina and Plan C today. Actually tomorrow, but I'll upload it tomorrow night. It's gonna be interesting because they have a really, really good quantile model.
There we go. Go sub my good friend. Right?
Thank you. Appreciate it.
There you go. So there you go. Tweeted. All right. With that said, make sure you hit the subscribe on my channel, and let's continue with today's jokes.
Unrealized gains leaving my portfolio. This is another level from the screenshot. It's like you're solely living your body permanently.
We got bent out of shape and our soul leaving as well. I mean, this is really messed up, man. Messed up.
Exactly. That's
wow. But the funny thing is, right? Weren't we in 2024 at this price level?
This is one of my favorite memes. Out of a sudden,
yes,
110,000 is not sexy anymore.
Yeah, no. No.
Damn.
No. That was so 2024, dude.
Exactly. Exactly. Damn.
Oh my God. This is a crazy thing about it, right? I mean, if you're a hodler, right? You're laughing, right? Like
Yeah.
me. We're like, what?
I know. Doesn't make
What
any
are we
sense.
doing here? What are we doing here?
Doesn't make any sense. But this is how it feels. Like sentiment is really bad.
Yeah, you think people are acting like we're at $110.
Canadian. Canadian.
Oh, you had to go there, man. You had to go there. Why did you say 110 loonies, right?
Yeah.
Like the loony.
Exactly. What's the exchange?
Canada.
It's 20% cheaper.
I don't know if it's like,
But it's
horrible.
cheaper.
It's
Yeah,
horrible.
it's cheaper.
The
Yeah, that's
exchange is like 30% or something like that. It's just nasty.
Damn. Yeah. That's it. $110 Canadian dollars. All right. So this is how it feels. If you zoom out, like you said, you can see there is an interesting resistance in the median channel there. There is also an inverse and shoulder who points at 150.
This is a DX, the Dixie.
Yeah, the Dixie. So this thing is gonna pop.
The Dixie chick. Okay.
This thing is gonna pop at some point, and when it does,
Let me analyze this thing here. Hold on. So what we're saying is we're on the channel, right? And let's see here. The last top was 2021. We double topped up there. So yeah, you know what? We still have to go in the red zone, right? Before we haven't even got into the red zone. And you know what? The beautiful thing is, the longer we stay in the yellow zone, the bigger
exactly the brutal is gonna be
the bigger the dildo green candle.
Yeah, the Burj Khalifa.
Right? That's coming, right? So yeah, look at that. So we are basically warming up, like winding up. Basically, the market winds up like a spring, right? Because what happens is, if price stays at a relatively low price so that people could collect the tokens, right? Collect these bitcoins, right? Eventually, because of its fixed supply, that's like a winding spring
It's gonna trigger a move. Yeah, indeed, I agree.
because it keeps staying low. And then you're thinking, well, it's going inching up a little bit higher. But again, when you think it relative to, okay, I'm a billion. I've got $1 billion and these are billionaires now that are in this market, of course. I'm gonna it comes back down. I'll pick some up. I'll get a little bit more. Get a Billy here, Billy there.
Billy there.
Right? Doesn't
What's a
move the
Billy?
price.
Yeah.
Doesn't move the price, right?
What's
That's
a
the
Billy
beauty,
between
right?
Friends? Yeah, exactly.
And then
we might see a bit of a semi-scary September, maybe, right? September is not the greatest of the month, but like you said, it's coiling up. So it's gonna happen. It's inevitable, right?
now think about it, right? This guy with a Billy coming in, right? He's basically like you coming in with 10K at $1,
Yeah, that's a good analogy.
right? Do you think he's selling, right, when it's up like 2x?
No,
How about 3x?
How about no?
Exactly. You see the picture here, right?
it could go higher.
The picture is like he's like the guy. Quite a few of those guys are like, you know how there's people who are moving Bitcoin now that moved like 80K Bitcoin
Yeah,
to sell 10 billion, right? Well, that went to somebody who just came in, who's just coming in,
he's gonna wait at least $10 million.
and he's gonna wait the same amount of time,
Exactly. Is it gonna sell for
right?
20% profit?
Right?
Especially like those players like states, pension funds, and all these guys. What are they doing with 10%? I mean, those are in for 2 or 3 cycles at least. Yeah.
Yep.
Anyway. But you know who's gonna sell? People that have fear.
Exactly. That's
This is the moment where weak hands are giving dime on the hands their coins.
And that's the only way they can get those coins is through the weak hands, right? The speculators, people who are tourists, right?
Exactly. Yes, this is the guy that told us to buy 10 years ago. Indeed. Indeed. The legend, Da Vinci. All right, that's another one that I love. This is the M2 supply.
Ooh, the price there is not the same price as Bitcoin. Right?
Exactly. Yet. So there is a delay. Okay, you can play different offsets. I've seen 60, 80, 120, but 80 is my favorite because it looks like it's following to a T. Obviously with a delay, which means higher targets are in the cards. I mean, this doesn't say the target per se, but it's going to indicate that we are going to have another push, I believe, before we might see a big correction, right?
Yeah, we should. But the problem, be careful, guys, with leverage, right? Remember, the market is a little bit over-levered, right? There's a clear recession going on for the average Joe. You're seeing it in like the shipping. Amazon shipping's down. Shipping across the board is down. You're seeing it with the jobs numbers. People are losing jobs. And, basically all everything. Like Warren Buffett, he's never been so much in cash ever, basically, right? And he's always buying. He's always, he's a disciplined investor. So he doesn't mind waiting out and being underperforming the S&P 500, right? Berkshire Hathaway, because when it's time, he's going to be overperforming the markets, right? Because he's waiting for everybody to panic sell, right?
Exactly.
Now, hopefully, he might be screwed because eventually, you know what? He's waiting to give those dollars to some idiot who wants the actual dollars, right?
Yeah, which they're not theirs, as we established yesterday.
Exactly. So, right, if that were to happen, just remember not to hold tight. Make sure that if you're levered, that you have some cash to cover your leverage to hold on, because it'll just be like a dip down like this and back up again, right? Any kind of breakdown. So, for example, I don't know if my prediction about the what's it called, the California falling into the ocean occurs, it's not the end of Bitcoin, right? It has nothing to do with that.
100%.
Right? If the U.S. president gets shot, it's not the end of Bitcoin. Price will drop like crazy.
Yeah, temporary, yeah.
It will drop like massive.
It's like a bump in the road.
Right? Just so you know, right? Because everybody connects the presidency to Bitcoin now, right? So keep that in mind, right? So these kind of what's called black swans are possible, right? Just keep that in mind if you're going to go leverage, right? Just so you know. But if you're just buying straight out, you have nothing to worry about.
Exactly, and you can go back to the chart, like you're saying, and look at what happened when the pandemic was, the COVID drop. I mean, now, who cares, right? It's gone. So,
exactly. The COVID drop is an example of that, right? Which wiped out a lot of people.
but it's gone. And in retrospective, you wish you bought.
Exactly.
That's what we are saying, right?
Yeah, so, always have some dry powder ready, just in case. You can buy some discounted Bitcoin, right? Hyper discounted Bitcoin. But yeah, there's no guarantees of this, of anything, but there's guaranteed one thing, right? Well, not one thing, but there's a high probability that Bitcoin will be money in the future, right? Assuming that we're still here.
Exactly.
Because there's no guarantee of that. All right, guys. Speaking about Bitcoin and being the future, I dropped 10 new free classes
Ooh.
for Bitcoin for beginners, right? And basically, right, these classes are to help you gain the confidence to be Michael Saylor, to be like, yeah, price down, who cares? I remember people laughing at me when Bitcoin was at $1,300, right? And it went down to $1,000.
Damn.
Right? And it said, how do you feel about your Bitcoins now? What?
Yeah. Yeah.
What? I was like, what are you talking about? Right? And he says, you lost so much money. I'm like, Okay. So, can I ask you a question? If Bill Gates loses 50% of his wealth, is he still rich? Because that's happened quite a few times. Yes or no? Oh, he is, eh? Okay. Okay. I mean, come on, people.
I wonder where all those guys that they were making fun of you are now. Damn. By the way, guys, whatever you're doing, take 5 seconds, go to b4bdavinci15.com and register for the free classes. There is more than 10, because 10 you just literally added now. There is a few more in there. You can watch them for free.
Yeah, and we'll keep adding some free ones. So make sure you subscribe and keep
Amazing.
an eye out. And we'll send you an email, update you whenever there's some new classes for you to check out. Okay.
Plus meetups, community meetings.
Exactly.
So much happening there. So make sure you do it because you'll miss out otherwise. Yeah.
Exactly.
Nice.
Alrighty.
All right. So September is almost at the door, and we can see that we are like, what, 5%?
Yeah.
Oh my God, 5%.
Yeah. Well, we expected that. So.
Exactly. And September is not going to be, I don't think, a green month, but October, November, and December, hello. It'll be a
Yeah.
good time.
October.
Exactly. And look at this. Fear and greed is going down. 47. It was 50 yesterday, or 48. Okay.
Up a little bit. But
I think in 17 hours it's going lower.
yeah, we're gonna be in extreme fear.
Yeah.
Right? It's gonna be like 105. That's it. It's over.
Imagine.
Bitcoin is going to zero.
You know that we had some people in the chat yesterday, they were saying Bitcoin is going to actually zero.
Yeah. Exactly.
Hey,
Let's see.
it's
Yeah,
it is what it is, right?
Exactly. I mean, it's normal, right? There's always people who are wrong when it comes to crypto and Bitcoin, and also
Peppa
meme
Pig.
coins. Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. Someone, a Peppa Pig whale. Nice. Yeah, guys, by the way, please, we say this every single day. Just don't buy any of this stuff.
Exactly. We are just having some fun.
Let us take in the beating.
So we are right now. Peppa Pig is a little bit down and out, but that's okay. We'll get back.
Yeah.
We'll come back. Okay, so let's go and find some. Let's go into the trenches. I'm sure the trenches are empty.
Oh, these are the days where
They're empty.
It's so.
Yeah, probably nobody's playing in the trenches.
Yeah, it's but hey, this could be the one who retires the bloodline.
What's this? Is this bloodline security here?
Oh, it's a guy. What is happening to the guy?
I don't know.
Is it lightning?
In the zone.
Oh, in the zone. What time frame is this? 5 minutes.
5 minutes. I don't know. What do you think?
1 million market cap. I mean, we will have to protect ourselves if we go in, because this could be one of those.
No. 6 followers.
That's it. Damn.
Oh wow.
I
don't think this is going to do that very well.
But okay, here's the catch. However,
we'll buy it anyways.
it could go higher. But we have to put protection on this guy.
Really?
Yeah, because I think if
You don't want to go into this guy raw?
what is he? How dare you?
How dare you?
How dare you go into a guy raw? I don't want to do that. No.
All right.
I mean, I think we should at least get the
Oh man.
investment back.
Let's see here.
Oh my God. You just got there.
I did. I went there. I think we should go all out on this one, right?
Yeah, probably a good idea. We don't want to stay in the guy.
Oh my god.
Sorry, guys, Tuesday. Do you know what you signed
Exactly.
up for? I mean,
Damn.
This is a good quickie. In and out. In and out. Double. In and out. Jesus. Okay.
This is why we.
This is why we do what we do, right?
Well, exactly. It's the meme season, man.
Exactly. Mm-hmm. Do you know they're so far away? Can't read them.
Let me see here.
What's a beld? BELD. But the number 2, the second
Number
one.
2?
That one. Beld.
Okay.
What's that one? Is it supposed to be like a bird or something?
I think
It's supposed to be bold.
bald, but it's not. It's belled. What?
Oh,
I think it might have went down a little bit.
yeah, just a smidge. Damn, we dodged the bullet here.
Oh, damn. Wait a second here.
I mean, it could be a good opportunity to go
Exactly.
in. It could go higher. Mm-hmm. If there was a time to go in, that would have been now. Mm-hmm. That's
Let's see. Let's see the quality.
I mean, this is only 5 minutes anyway. So
Let's take a look at the quality of this thing. Look,
under 76 members.
better than 6.
Belled. Okay. Pumped up fun. Oh, there's
Yeah, we could end up like Belled in McDonald's if we just buy a little bit.
do we have the sound? Do we have the sound? Oh yeah. There you go.
Let's join the revolution of Belled.
I think this could be the one.
Yes.
In retrospective, this could be the one that's going to retire the bloodline.
How about new?
Hey, this is like a 5-minute chart, so maybe start it off a little
I
bit.
think people are buying Belled right now and that's watching it, and they're gonna we're gonna be their exit liquidity
Yeah,
with our $18.
that's a possibility right there.
Oh damn! Should we go all out on Belled?
Maybe we keep some. What do you think?
All right, fine. We'll keep a little bit of Belled.
All right. I don't understand what's happening. Well, you are not the only one. We don't know what's happening either.
We're not sure either.
We're not sure either.
We're wondering what the hell
So-
we're doing here.
Nothing to worry about. man.
Exactly. It's just
same
it's
page.
normal.
Exactly.
Normal.
Exactly. But there's gonna be a Q&A segment in the
Exactly.
end, so stick for that one.
Like that comment.
We should keep this on always on.
Yeah,
I don't understand. Yeah, it's totally normal.
totally legit.
It means you're watching, so it makes
It
sense.
means you're normal, right?
Exactly. You are the good guy. You are the good guy. Oh man,
Oh damn.
that's the idea of the segment.
Oh man, that was the comment of the day.
I know. Remember when sometimes we have guests in,
Exactly, I
and they're
know.
like, "What are you guys doing?"
I know.
Do you remember Tone Base? Like, what are you guys doing?
I know. What's going on? Oh damn.
Even when we finish filming the show, it's like, I don't understand what you guys do. Yeah, if you understand it, you're not doing it right.
Exactly.
Good one, Nick.
Oh man, I'm feeling wife, man. I'm feeling wife. Let's see, where is wife? There's no chart.
There's no wife.
There's no wife chart.
Okay.
It says no data.
Wow.
No data on wife.
So that's where you have to go in, right?
She's got like where's her price? It's 2.2 million market cap. I don't know, man. The wives could take everything.
Remember, Ro?
Oh damn!
Yeah, she's gonna take everything. That's a
I
good
think-
point.
I-
Unless we put protection on it.
I'm not feeling wife at all, man. 'Cause
Okay.
I don't feel like losing half my wealth to wife.
Yeah, fair enough. On a good day.
Yeah. Another day.
Another day. If you have not seen Raw from Eddie Murphy, guys, go and check it out. It's just one of the best stand-up comedy ever. I think it's done in the 80s, no? It's not new.
Yeah, exactly. It's old. It's
amazing.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
I think this
Bitfather.
might have been a scam.
Yeah. Is that Elon Musk, by the way?
Yes, exactly.
Oh boy.
This look. These candlesticks look
Totally
normal.
normal.
Totally legit.
Legit. Wife would rag pull you, yeah. But
Damn.
jobless. Okay, we have to check
where's jobless?
this one. We need to check jobless. Mm-hmm. Do you remember the guy? What was the name of the guy who? Okay.
jobless.
Ooh, look at that inverse head and shoulder. I know. I went there. I laughed halfway through it. We gotta get jobless, man. It's gonna pump. This is gonna be the one. Can't even find the buttons today.
What? Bruh.
Look at that pump there.
Stupid.
It's going to the moon.
Bruh.
So how did you guys make? There was a token called jobless.
We're jobless, man. That's how we got.
That's how we got all the money. Mm-hmm. This is gonna be. Mm-hmm. We are not going to regret this tomorrow.
For sure.
For sure.
Sure. I mean, it already pumped a little bit, right? What's we're talking about?
Is there a phone there? What's with the banner?
I don't know. It's
Phone in a Porsche. Boom. Perfect. Work is temporary. Bags are forever. Not broke.
Free rich.
That's it. Yes. Yes. I mean, guys, no, don't buy this.
No.
Just don't. No. Right? But we're doing it, right?
Yeah, we are.
Nice.
You can just watch it.
That's what we do. So you don't have to
Exactly.
get hurt. You can just watch us getting hurt. Like the Jackass guys, they are doing all the stunts. Mm-hmm. You know? This is professional.
Exactly.
Professional
jacks.
Exactly. Professional meme coin picking.
We're professional jacks, right? So,
We're making money disappear. Mm-hmm. Super fast, by the way.
Exactly.
Boom. Exactly. Boom.
Magic.
Boom. Magic. Portfolio gone. That's it. All right, I think the trenches.
I think we're done with the trenches.
Done with trenches for today. Okay, Q&A. I did save a few questions. Hey Da Vinci, hey Mr. M, what is your opinion on the Coinbase one card? Oh, the one with the kind of the addresses on. I don't like Coinbase. I don't know if you like it, but Coinbase is not my cup of tea.
Yeah, me neither.
So,
it's like it is an evil corporation that's trying to rule the world, especially with the USDC, right? I mean, and it's you can
not
tell.
a fan.
Yeah, something's off there. Anyways, I noticed there's another question about how you hold any meme coins. I like that one question. Let's take a look at how many meme coins we hold right here. Let's see here. Do we hold any meme coins here?
I'm still waiting for the alert.
I'm wondering, is there any meme coins do you see here? Do you see? Do you see any meme coins? Any?
Wow.
Aren't they all meme coins?
I still cannot believe there is no limit on our Phantom. We are probably the wallet with most.
Yeah, but here's
By
the thing.
far.
The back end of Solana, the way it works is a little bit strange, right? Each of these meme coins are stored in their own separate wallet, separate address.
So there is no limit.
Yeah.
It would be good to know how many we have, though. There is no count.
Yeah, there's no count.
They probably have. I mean, think about the developers of Phantom saying, "Well, how many meme coin can someone hold?" Well, a lot, apparently.
Yeah, let's see if we swap pain, max pain, if we get anything. Ooh, 50 cents.
Damn.
We suffered a lot of pain with that one.
Yeah. I remember there was a pair, gain and pain. We didn't get gain, but we got a ton of pain.
Yeah, a ton of pain.
Ton of pain. So the answer is yes, but please don't buy any of the one we buy because...
As you can see, right, if we scroll down, right, a lot of them have no price.
Exactly. Yeah. All right, good man. Yesterday night was very scary. Bitcoin went down to 108, but I watched Daily Hodl show, so I will keep holding my entire portfolio. You are a good man,
Exactly.
and we salute you for that.
Yes, it's about daily hodling with Bitcoin, right? Just hold on to your Bitcoin. Don't worry about it. This is your savings vehicle. right? You know, there's like government like creates savings vehicles for people because they think that people can't do that on their own, right? But that's a lie, and it was designed so that they can enslave you, right? So they can tax you and not use the money to actually save because it's not real money. It's just printed money. So why would they save that? Right? So,
Exactly.
so don't fall into the trap of having somebody else take care of you. You take care of yourself, and you do that by holding Bitcoin on your own. There you go.
100%. I like this one. Hello, if you are in France. So we're not in France technically, so no hello for us. But do you think Ethereum will return to 3,400? Oh, that's a interesting question. Well, we are now at 4,400.
He's got a short, and he wants to get out of that short. So obviously,
I don't think I don't think so, because Ethereum is going to go higher, right? And then he's going to correct. But
you can see the 200 period moving average on the 4 hours is rising to 4K. So usually, right when there's a big run, you can see we ran from the 4K from the 200 period moving average. So we're gonna have to retest, bounce around that for after the run for a little while before we actually start our next move higher. But usually you can see that the 3,400 is like well below what's it called, the 200 period moving average, and we're in a bull market. So the odds of that happening, although it's not impossible, it's really low. You can see that there is support here, so it's not impossible. It's just
not anytime soon.
not likely.
Maybe after a pump, right? Maybe in the bear market.
You can see that it's held its support here, and then we might break this a little bit, but then you've got another support level here at the 3,800, right? This W takeoff point here is another resistance level, right? So you've got a lot of resistance to break through for us to even look at the 3,400, right? So
yeah, fair enough. Thank you for explaining it. I bought Bitcoin on Saturday, and now I'm in a loss. Well, this is the thing about Bitcoin. You don't check every day or every week. You check every 10 years, right?
Exactly.
So don't get distracted by the short time frame. Just think about,
because you why would you buy an investment, right? It's like any investment. I don't know what investment can you buy, and then on one day and then next day only see up and never have it go negative. Please tell me which that is, right? Are you talking about a bond? Oh, really? Okay. Let's take a look at a bond then, right? As something that's look, it's going to go up only because your bond is fixed, your principal's fixed, right? Your payout, let's just say you got a 10-year bond and it's 6%, right? 6%, which is decent, which is not possible, but let's just say you got that. Right? 6%. And you're like, see, my money's always going up. Well, that's, first off, we already established yesterday, it's not your fucking money.
your money, yeah.
Right? So, second, right? What happens is people say, you know what, I'm not going to hold the US dollars, and the bond goes down, right? The bond price, a 10-year note, right? If you wanted to sell your 10-year note, you could get your principal back for sure. But that bond, right, will no longer get 6%, it'll get 3%, right? And although you don't see the losses because you still have the principal, right? Mm-hmm. You're going, okay, well, I'm still up. Okay. But do you know how much year over year you're losing to inflation? Are you aware that it's not the 3% that they're telling you?
Oh, no, hell no.
It's not the 6%. It's actually, based on the older style of data, it's more like 10 to 15%. So let's take the lowest land at 10%. So you're going to take, right, because the bond prices, because they're constantly going in debt, right? That means your bond value is going to go down, and they're going to lower the interest rates, right? That bond value now has dropped heavily. So, effectively, you lost money, right? You've lost money both in inflation and with the fact that the bond has gone down, right? Which is guaranteed to happen because the Fed is talking about that.
Yeah.
Right? There is no asset where you can't lose.
I know.
So stop it.
It's really common, by the way, because we even say one Lambo, as if I bought, but I have not made $1 million yet. So you have to think about long term. This thing is volatile, man. Don't measure Saturday to Monday or Tuesday. Think about 2 or 3 cycles. That's the only way I think it works.
Yeah, exactly. Right? I bought Bitcoin at $32. I bought a lot of it at $32. And it went down all the way to $2. Right?
Wow, that must have been tough.
No, it didn't even faze me.
Really?
No.
Okay.
I was like, oh man, I need to get some more.
Okay. Well,
Right?
because you understood from the beginning.
Exactly.
Okay. Yes,
Right?
for me it was different.
I just felt like I shouldn't have bought at $32, right? That's all, right? And so, but I knew that I had to buy.
Yeah.
That's the whole point.
Yeah, there's probably the difference between you and me because when I gone in, which was way after, I think it was $230, I freaked out when we dropped. I freaked out because I didn't know what I was doing. Whether you studied it, you understood, you are a developer, you read through the white paper,
Yeah.
whether I didn't do any of that. So, and this is why we are doing what we do, right? To tell you to study this thing and to understand
Exactly.
why you are purchasing it. Otherwise, you'll end up like me,
This
panicking.
man needs to go to our school,
Exactly.
right? Head over to b4b.davincej15.com, right? And
Get the free classes.
get free classes, right?
Boom.
And then you'll have the confidence to go, yeah, volatility, psst, what's that, right?
Exactly. Massimo, you're asking if the top is in. Look, I tweeted this morning. Can you open up Twitter? Do you have it open already? Can you go on my account? Because this is funny. I literally tweeted this on the way to the gym this morning. See if you find it. Otherwise, you can search as Mr. M Podcast.
Okay.
No, I don't think the top is in. And funny thing is, I tweeted that one. I tweeted it this morning. Look, if you scroll down, you should find it. That one. I don't think Bitcoin has topped yet. Not even close. This bull market has still months to run, right? Not panicking here. DCA stays active. Seeing everyone freaking out at 109 is actually bullish.
Yes, it is. It is. To have so much panic.
It's amazing. Like we have fear and greed at 47 and Bitcoin is 110. I mean, this is the best. Imagine, guys, go back 5 years or back to the top, to the previous top, which was, let's call it 70K. And look at these numbers. And people are panicking.
I know. We need to make sure this camera is adjusted properly.
I centered. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
There you go.
Oh, that's a good one. What's your forecast for the month of September? Oh, that's a good one, Nipana. September should be technically not great, but the Feds are going to cut.
Yeah, so during that cut, expected rate cut, we should see a little bit of a pump, right? So a little bit, right? Little bit. Because they've already talked about it, makes it that the pump is not going to be that great, but there'll be something.
Exactly. And me and Da Vinci exchanged a few WhatsApp messages, and I sent you the weekly chart with the 109. And this morning we were talking how low it could go. It could go even a little bit lower, but I wouldn't be worried. My DCA is still active. I buy every month. I don't care. At some point, I'm going to stop when we go to the banana zone for a little bit, and then back into the bear market.
Yep, and then back into the DCA. Yeah.
Exactly. Then back into it. But I don't have a target. It could go a little bit lower. I mean, I think we could even see imagine if Bitcoin goes subs 100, close the gap at 90 something. That would freak everyone out. That would be actually a good thing, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's just like, it is what it is. No problem. Prego, Massimo.
Okay.
Nice.
Well, that's it for today.
Record the course, right?
Yeah, we're going to go on to recording some more courses. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you head over to b4b.davincej15.com to subscribe for the free classes so that you can gain the confidence, the strength to go, I'll be buying Bitcoin. Oh, it goes down, great, I'll buy it. Oh, it goes up, oh, I'll buy it. It goes sideways, oh, I'll buy it. That's what you need
Exactly.
to know that, hey, you know what? I've got the asset class, the ultimate asset class of all asset classes out there. You need that confidence and understanding to reassure yourself so that you can keep buying and laugh at other people who are like freaking out.
Exactly. Well said.
Peace.
Cheers.